you want to make your writing smoother and more connected? Let's learn how to use linkers to write great paragraphs. Linkers are the words or phrases that connect ideas, making writing flow naturally. What are linkers? Linkers help show relationships between ideas. Addition, moreover, furthermore, in addition. Contrast. However, on the other hand, although. Cause and effect. Because, therefore, as a result. Time, firstly, next, meanwhile, finally. Examples. For example, for instance, such as. Steps to write a paragraph using linkers. Step 1. Choose a topic. Example, the importance of healthy eating. Step 2. Plan the structure. Topic sentence, state the main idea. Supporting sentence, use linkers to connect ideas. Concluding sentence, summarize the point. Step 3. Use appropriate linkers. Match linkers to ideas. Example, in addition or cause and effect. Example paragraphs using linkers. Healthy eating is essential for a strong and active life. Firstly, it provides body with necessary nutrients such as vitamins and minerals to function properly. Furthermore, a balanced diet boosts the immunity system, reducing the risk of diseases. On the other hand, unhealthy eating habits can lead to problems like obesity and heart diseases. Therefore, making healthy food choices is crucial for overall well-being. In conclusion, eating nutritious meals daily ensures a healthier and happier life. Tips for using linkers. Do not overuse linkers. Vary linkers to avoid repetition. Ensure linkers fit in the sentence meaning. For example, well-connected sentences like regular exercise is essential for good health. Firstly, it strengthens the heart and muscles. Furthermore, it improves mental well-being by reducing stress. Therefore, exercising daily leads to a healthier lifestyle. The same paragraph without linkers, making it feel choppy and disconnected. Regular exercises is essential for good health. It strengthens the heart and muscles. It improves the mental well-being by reducing stress. Exercising daily leads to a healthier lifestyle. Using linkers makes your paragraph clear and connected. Practice regularly and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more writing tips. See you in the next video.